Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me. Thanks for stopping by and spending a few moments with me. If you're going to art journal too, pause this for a little bit, get all your stuff out, and then let's get started. So today, I was at the house here, and I said to myself, it's time to declutter a bit. I got like so much stuff laying around in the house, and I took some bags over to the Goodwill the other day, and I said, okay, let's get some more stuff ready to go. So I was spending my time decluttering my place and getting ready to put stuff to send to the Goodwill. So while I was doing that and going through some stuff, what did I happen to find in a little shoebox that I had a while? My old Barbie dolls. So it's 4 of them. And I was like, wow, look at that. My old Barbies from when I was little and young and playing and all that kind of craziness. I don't know how many of you all had Barbie dolls, but I was really into mine when I had them. So there they were. So I took them out the box. I looked at them a little bit, and then I debated. I go, are we keeping them, or are we going to give them away? At one time, I thought I was keeping them for my daughter when she was little, but she never played with them. She didn't like Barbies. She liked the big baby doll. She liked the bigger doll, the big kind, like a big baby doll. She never got into playing with Barbie. So, of course, I just packed them up and put them back where they came from. And so I could remember, I thought about it as I sat there on the floor of my closet, all the precious time that I spent with those Barbies. I was like, oh my God, oh my goodness. I played with those Barbies. Oh, I mean, sometimes my mom would have to say to me, you got to go outside and play. You need to go outside and play. Put those dolls down and go outside and play. And so we went outside to play. I went outside to play, but I always wanted to get back because, you know, I was like a loner child. So I kind of like to play by myself because I had my brothers. And since you're a girl and you got brothers, you usually end up playing by yourself most of the time because the boys would always play with each other. And so I said, oh my goodness. I was like so happy, and they were in such still good condition, still really good condition. I had the little dress on and everything. So when I thought about my spread tonight, I was like, oh my God, I have some cards that have a Barbie on them. And I think I'm going to make my spread. I'm going to cut that Barbie out. And I'm going to make my spread with that Barbie on it. So, here she is, all in her little gown. I should have brought my ones down here to the craft room so I could have showed them to you at the time. But I packed them back up, so... So I packed them back up so I wouldn't be able to show them anyway. So here she is, Barbie. I don't know, you know, the thing I liked about the Barbie is she had so many clothes to change and everything like that. She had just about everything. And I had a few, you know, pieces with that Barbie and everything like that. But as you grow up, you tend to put your little dolls in a box and you change your attitude of what's important to you. You get going with something else in your life, and your life starts to change, and you make new plans of what's important and what's not important. And as you do that, you have new goals. So that's the kind of thing you think about when you were playing with your Barbies, and when you're not playing with your Barbies, and when you're trying to get older and start trying to figure out your life. I hope you guys like this one. And one of the things I did see, and I thought I mentioned on the channel before, I was in the Target and I was surprised to see how many different kinds of dolls there are now. Barbies and everything, and not Barbies, and more dolls that are African American and more dolls that are, of all ethnicities. And when I was a kid, it was kind of hard to find those. But now, you have everything. You know what? I want to take this one out. No, I'll leave it there because I done put it down there now. And that's my thing here today. When I saw this quote, I had to put it on there. It says, "You're never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." And that's the kind of thing, that's what I'm thinking about now. As I told you before, I'm officially retired. So that means I have to dream another dream for myself and figure out what do I do next. And as I sit to figure that out, I notice that time goes by a lot faster when you're not working. When you're working, whoa, time's so slow. When you're not working, I mean, it's like every day is your Saturday and Sunday where you don't have time to finish anything. Where you go, oh, I'm going to do this. And then you're like, whoa, I didn't get that done. How come I didn't get that done? And I'm going to do this. And then you go, didn't get that done. So I got to plan my days better, dream a new dream, and plan what I'm going to do for the rest of my time now that I don't work. So you may see a few more videos, or you may see a little bit less as I get involved in other activities. I'm a dog person, so I think I'll probably volunteer some of my time at the local Humane Society and see if I can help out down there a bit. They're always looking for volunteers, and what a better volunteer. Oh, I made these stamps. What better volunteer than me, since this year has been like a bit of a tragic year for me. I've lost my Griswold, and right after Griswold left me, I lost my little Yorkie Grace. My little Grace was the general. She took care of everybody. She made sure everybody did everything. She was the alpha dog and the leader of this pack I had. So right after Christmas, we all went to bed that night, and I woke up, and my Grace didn't wake up with us. So, me and my dogs this year. So it's not too late for me to dream another dream, figure out something else to do with myself. So here you are, my friends. This is my spread for the week. Tell me what you think. Did you play with Barbies when you were younger? If you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, please press that button and subscribe. I'd love to have you be a part of my journey here. My next video will be a haul video. I found a few things at the store that I had to go and pick up, and also some things I didn't pick up that I think I can use use for my creativity. Don't forget, be the reason somebody smiles, be the reason you smile. And this year, I'm going with self-care is not selfish. So take care of yourselves. And let me know what you think of this spread and those Barbies. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.